Are you tired of sifting through endless 3D printers that promise the world but fail to deliver? Well, today we're making it easy for you with the top 6 best 3D printers of 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or someone just getting into 3D printing, we've got the perfect picks for every need. From precision and speed to ease of use and innovative features, these printers are setting the standard in the industry this year. But that's not all. Make sure you stick around until the end because one of these printers is an absolute game changer, and it might just blow your mind. To make things easier, I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind the 3D printers aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without wasting your time, let's get started with the video. Number 6. Formlabs. Form 3 Plus Basic Package. The Formlabs Form 3 Plus Basic Package is an advanced SLA 3D printer that offers a robust set of features for professionals and serious enthusiasts. It utilizes low-force stereolithography, LFS technology, which reduces peel forces during the print process, resulting in smoother surface finishes and improved print quality. With layer heights as low as 25 microns, the Form 3 Plus ensures exceptional precision across various materials, from standard resins to high-performance options. The printer is equipped with an intuitive touchscreen interface, making it easy for users to navigate even if it's their first experience with 3D printing. Connectivity is versatile with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB ports, which allows for seamless file transfers and remote access. Additionally, the Preform software streamlines print setup, helping users focus on design rather than the technicalities of preparation. Although the Form 3 Plus excels in many areas, it does have a few limitations. Its build volume may be restrictive for large-scale projects, and its premium price can be a barrier for hobbyists or those on a budget. Priced around $3,499, the Form 3 Plus is best suited for professionals or those who require high-quality detailed prints. If your projects demand large build sizes or you are on a tighter budget, other options might be more appropriate. However, for those who prioritize print quality and reliability, the Form 3 Plus is a standout choice. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is a solid 3D printer designed for hobbyists and beginners who want a reliable, affordable machine. It boasts key features such as a direct drive extruder for better extrusion accuracy, auto-leveling for seamless setup, and a flexible build plate that allows easy print removal. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, making it versatile for different projects. The printer is built with sturdy aluminum for stability during high-speed printing, and it offers an impressive 300mm speed mode, ideal for fast yet quality prints. Additionally, the integrated color engine allows for multicolor printing with automatic filament recognition. Priced between $300 to $400, the Cobra 3 Combo offers great value for those looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank. It is especially attractive for users wanting to explore multicolor printing and those in need of a reliable, easy-to-use machine. For those just starting or looking for an affordable yet capable 3D printer, the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is an excellent choice. However, if you need ultra-high-resolution prints or advanced features, you may want to consider higher-end models. Number 4. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S is an advanced 3D printer that offers significant upgrades over its predecessor, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned professionals and hobbyists. Key features include its high flow rate nozzle, which allows for faster print speeds without sacrificing quality, and an improved cooling system that ensures consistent results. The MK4S also supports higher layer heights, enabling quicker prints for less intricate projects, all while maintaining precision. The printer's Wi-Fi connectivity and NFC tap setup streamline the setup process, making it easy to connect and get started right out of the box. Additionally, the MK4S is constructed with PC carbon fiber filament and injection molded parts, adding to its durability. The printer's profile is finely tuned for quality, and it supports faster print speeds and higher layer heights, allowing for enhanced productivity without compromising on the quality of the prints. In terms of pricing, the MK4S is priced around $1,300 for the kit version, aligning with the cost of its predecessor while offering improved features. For those looking for reliability, speed, and outstanding print quality, The Prusa MK4S is a solid investment. Its durability, advanced features, and ability to handle both large and small projects make it ideal for anyone who needs top-tier performance. If you're seeking a 3D printer that balances efficiency and precision, the MK4S could be the perfect choice for you. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is an excellent 3D printer that combines advanced features with user-friendly operation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It offers a build volume of 220 x 220 x 220 meters, providing ample space for most personal and small business 3D printing needs. The printer's fully enclosed design ensures a stable environment, crucial for printing with temperature-sensitive materials like ABS. Its PEI-coated magnetic bed promotes excellent adhesion, while the fast-heating nozzle reduces the wait time before printing. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen provides an intuitive interface, displaying essential print details like temperature, print time, and progress. The dual air filtration system helps minimize fumes, making it ideal for use in enclosed spaces. In terms of material compatibility, the Adventurer 5M can handle PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, and even carbon fiber-infused filaments, thanks to its maximum extruder temperature of 280 degrees. Additionally, it offers high-speed printing, up to 600 mm, while maintaining excellent print quality. Priced around $599, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M provides a great balance between performance and affordability, making it a solid option for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. Is it the best for you? If you're after a printer that offers great print quality, easy setup, and wide material support, the Adventurer 5M is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is a well-rounded 3D printer packed with useful features. It offers a 256 x 256 x 256 cm build volume, suitable for a wide range of projects, from small detailed items to larger prototypes. The printer supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, and nylon, thanks to its 300°C all-metal hot end and 100°C heated bed, allowing users to experiment with different materials. One of the standout features is its automatic bed leveling, which ensures consistent print quality by using the nozzle for precision leveling, eliminating the need for a separate probe. The Wi-Fi connectivity and full-color touchscreen make it easy to control the printer remotely, and the Bambu Handy app further enhances convenience by allowing remote monitoring of prints. The AMS light system is another unique addition, enabling multi-material printing with up to 4 filament spools. Performance-wise, the A1 excels in dimensional accuracy with minimal error on the X and Y axis, and it handles intricate features and bridging with ease. It's priced at around $399, making it an affordable choice for users who want to explore multi-material printing and need reliable, high-quality prints. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 is a great option for those who want a feature-rich, versatile 3D printer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this printer delivers on performance, ease of use, and value for money. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1P. The Bambu Lab P1P 3D printer stands out for its impressive performance and versatility, offering rapid print speeds and high-quality results. Notable features include auto bed leveling, vibration and extrusion compensation, and the ability to print at up to 20,000 mm in ludicrous mode. It handles various materials such as PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA, and supports a maximum print temperature of 300 degrees. The heated print bed reaches up to 100 degrees, making it ideal for reliable and fast printing. A key advantage is its customizability, with removable side panels for upgrades like cooling fans and air filters, allowing you to easily transform it into a P1S model. The P1P also integrates seamlessly with Bambu Studio software and offers remote monitoring via the Bambu Handy app, making it user-friendly and efficient. At around $609, the Bambu Lab P1P provides great value, especially for those looking for a printer that delivers both speed and precision without needing extensive setup. It's well-suited for hobbyists and professionals alike. However, if you're specifically looking for a printer with a fully enclosed chamber for materials like ABS, the P1P might not be the best option. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those needing a high-performance, upgradable 3D printer.